Hi everyone, so today we're going to work on making and drawing our last name initial for our project. So you're going to need a ruler, pencil, and a block eraser, and a piece of computer paper. So you're going to take your ruler, you're going to line up the top of the ruler with the top of the paper, and you're going to make a solid guideline underneath the ruler. Then you're going to move the ruler down to the bottom of the paper, line up the bottom of the ruler with the bottom of the paper, and again, make a solid guideline going across. Now you want to have a middle line, which is the broken line, to help you make your letters straight. So you can just eye the middle, wherever it looks like it's the middle to you. If you really want to get technical and use the ruler and do half of how long it is, you can, but I'm just gonna eye it, and then I'm gonna put my broken line going across. Now once I do that, I'm going to draw in print my last name initials. So it's Corson, so I'm going to draw a K. And remember, when you draw the printed letter, you're always going to go from the top solid line to the bottom, and then we would use your dotted line for, let's say, initial like my K, where it has to meet up somewhere in the middle. Once I draw my printed letter, now I'm going to turn it into block or bubble. That's going to be your choice. Remember, if you're going to do a block letter, you can use the ruler to make your lines really straight. If you're going to do the bubble letter, then you're going to curve the lines. Remember that the bubble or block does not touch the printed letter. It's just a guide for you to know where to draw the bubble or block. And you want to make sure that your letter has the same width all the way around. And when you draw that bubble and block, remember it's actually going to go past the guideline somewhat. It might go a little bit below the guideline, and it might go a little above the guideline. It's supposed to be like that because your printed letter is the one touching the guideline. So once you get it how you want it, it looks great. Then I can take my black Sharpie. You got one of these in your art take-home kit, and you're going to go around the pencil lines with the Sharpie marker. Once you go around all the pencil lines, then you're going to use your block eraser. You're going to erase not only the printed letter inside, but you're also going to erase any of the guidelines. So there it is in Sharpie. And now I'll take my block eraser and erase the printed letter, erase any pencil marks, and then you're going to erase all your guidelines. And that's what you do for the first step.